What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm going to learn how to do a visual regression testing into your WordPress website for free. So imagine the following scenario. Some plugin automatically update and it broke some part of your site, so you simply lost the menu. Can you remember how the menu was before it broke? If not, a visual regression would be really helpful. It's almost like a mirror of how your site looks like a day before. How to do this into your site to keep things secure and to always learn how to turn back and don't lose time trying and failing. This is what you're gonna learn to this video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, all you have to do is enter with your browser address bar your domain plus WP admin or WP login, enter with username or email and password. After this, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin. Right corner of your screen, there is a field called search plugins. Click on it and type Visual Regression Testing, just like this. Here is the guide that we are looking for, VRTs, Visual Regression Test, by Bleach. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, but if you review the top section of your site, VTR's plugin successful activities, start to configure tests, or check the customization options in the plugin settings. So all you have to do is click right here, configure tests. Handy, welcome aboard. Automatically detect visual change and receive alerts to achieve pixel perfect precision. So click on next. Daily tests. This is trying to upgrade to the pro version. Let's get started. Got it. By default, into the free plan, we can apply a couple of pages. So I think it's 3 pages. Home is the most important, that is automatically detected right here. As soon as you go to the plugin, it automatically detects your home page. Here is the home. And you can enter new pages, okay, to tests. Review the runs right here. Schedule. So there is one run schedule for tomorrow. So basically the plugin gonna automatically runs for finding tests, okay? Here are the triggers. You can keep things for free in the case you prefer, and if you want to upgrade, you can click right here and you're gonna be redirected to the plugin where you can upgrade for a pro version. I'm gonna keep things into the free option, so nothing to worry, no need to enter licenses or things right here. And as soon as I update the page, an automatic test gonna happens tomorrow at 10 p.m. and you're gonna be able to see the change. Nothing to worry, but it's good to know. Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.